Today we're leaving the office and we're going to go tour our 69,000 square foot building next door, which is going to come to the market, I'd say in the summer. It's looking good. Looking good. This is going to be one of our best spaces if you're into the retail component. Look at all these windows. It's going to be like the fishbowl. But it's the easiest space to get to because it's literally right at the entrance. Here's an improvement in the new building. Peephole. Let there be light. Ah! This beautiful light-filled corner unit faces west and north, while this unit faces south, east, and north. 3 walls of windows. This unit is a perfect square. It has its own dedicated outdoor space, and it has a huge vestibule and hallway where you can hang artwork, hang your coats once you've entered the door, and then boom, you've got a whole hallway with super high ceilings before you get to the main area.